Hey guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Today I'm going to compare two new smartphones, Samsung Galaxy A30 and Samsung Galaxy A50. Let's start. If we talk about the display, A30 has 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display. Other side also you get 6.4-inch Full HD Plus, but it's different in display, AMOLED display. Next we talk about the front camera. A30 has 16 megapixel front camera and A50 has 25 megapixel front camera. Next I'm going to talk about RAM and storage. A30 has two options in RAM, 3GB and 4GB, and also two options in storage, 32GB and 64GB. Other side A50 has also two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB, and also two options in storage, 64 and 128GB. If I talk about the rear camera, here's huge difference because A30 has two rear camera, 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and other side A50 you will get a triple rear camera, 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel. Now let's talk about the processor and chipset. A30 has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor, and other side you will get a same 2.2 GHz octa-core processor. And now talk about the chipset. A30 has Exynos 7885 chipset, and other side you will get Exynos 9610 chipset. Now we will look on some other specification. Both have a Android 9.0 Pie and Bluetooth 5 and also 4G VoLTE service, and both have a dual SIM option. Now talk about GPU. A30 has Mali G71 and A50 has Mali G72 MP3, and both have a fingerprint sensor, but A30 has fingerprint sensor on the back, and other side A50 has fingerprint sensor under display. Now we talk about the battery. A30 has 4000 mAh non-movable battery with fast battery charging. Other side A50 has 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging as well. And now talk about the price. A30 expected price 16,000 in India rupees and 230 in US dollar, and other side A50 expected price 22,000 in India rupees and 310 in US dollar. Thanks friend for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.